I'm Kellen Gray, and you're probably not watching this because let's be real, nobody is. I'm just another random guy yelling into the void of the internet. This is my first video and it's gonna flop harder than a tech startup at no Wi-Fi.
Your first video is not going to get views.
First off, the YouTube algorithm. It's basically a tech god that hates newbies. I could have spent 20 hours editing this in DaVinci Resolve. Spoiler, I did. And it'll still bury me under 10-year-old cat videos. I mean, I get it. Why watch a sarcastic nobody when you can see top 10 CSS tricks from a guy with a bald head? Oh, and thumbnails? I'm supposed to make something clickbaity like, this video will change your life, but nah. I'll just slap my face on there looking confused. That'll work. I'm not famous, yet. I'm not Elon Musk coding zip2 in my sleep. Yeah, I made a short about that. Go watch it. I don't have a million subs or a viral tweet to my name. I'm just Kellen, some dude who likes teaching web design, talking about stuff that nobody asked for. Like, who cares about my tutorial on hover effects when Mr. Beast is over there giving away Teslas? So, if you stick around, you'll probably hate this. I'm going to ramble about tech, web design, general tutorials. Like, here's how to make a button glow in CSS because your life's incomplete without it. Spoiler, it's 3 lines of code. I've got a sarcastic streak wider than a 90s website, and my humor's drier than a server crash. So yeah, with this train wreck while it lasts. So that's it. My grand debut. Doomed to obscurity. But here's the kicker. I'm still doing this. Why? Because I'm stubborn. I like tech. And maybe, just maybe, one of you weirdos out there will stick around. So hit subscribe if you're into sarcastic rants, tech deep dives, or proving the algorithm wrong. Next time I'll show you something useful like how not to suck at YouTube. See ya.